Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create a lasting text on CapCut. So to do that, you are going to select text and you are going to select add text, and you're just going to write type the text you want. As you can see, the text only reaches to this time of the video right here. And for instance, if your text the duration is even smaller and you don't want the hassle of dragging out the timeline until the end of the video, you can just go back. You can just select the text and choose lasting text instead, and the text will be shown throughout the video. This is good if you want to add I guess a watermark, so it stays throughout the whole video and you don't have to drag it if your video is super duper long, but mine is short, so I don't really need that. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!